All right, off-camera flash sounds amazing, but how do we actually fire a flash when it's off camera? Today, in the studio. Hello there, my name is Alex Silva. This is the portion where I used to ask you to subscribe to the channel. Now let's change things a bit, wait until the end of the video, and then you can make the decision to subscribe or not. Today, I'd like to share with you some of the basic techniques of how we're going to fire a flash when it is off camera. What are the general considerations and different methods that we can use to fire the flash off camera? Anyway, the first thing that we need to consider when trying to make the camera to communicate with the flash is the media. And for this we have three different options. We can use cables, like this one. We can use optical signals, usually in the form of a flash. It could be a simple flash or something a bit more complex. We'll get there. Or you could use radio signals, radio transmission. And in this case, you need to use a transmitter on top of your camera, usually in the camera hot shoe, just like this. Then we need to consider that using this media, you can send two kinds of signals. One is a simple firing signal. The other is a control signal. Using a simple firing signal, everything, the camera and the flash, need to work in manual mode. You're going to set your three parameters in your camera: ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. And then you're going to set your flash parameters, zoom, power settings. And then we are going to tell the flash just to fire with whatever settings that we have set on the flash itself. We're going to just tell it fire. At this moment, you just fire. And that is a simple signal. And we can send it through cables, optical signals, or radio signals. In a control signal, we're going to tell the flash not just to fire, but to change some settings. We could tell the flash to change the zoom setting. We can change from, let's say, 18 to 24 millimeters, or we can say, hey, zoom out to 200 millimeters. And we can also tell the flash to fire, to change the power settings. If it was originally, let's say, at 1/2 power, we can change it to 1/8 power at the moment of pressing the shutter speed. That is the kind of control signal that we can send to the flash. We can also send other kinds of signal that, like, for example, making sure that the flash fires in high-speed sync mode. Or we can actually use TTL mode, in which the camera and the flash work together to figure out what is the correct exposure and power setting of the flash for a certain exposure. So the control signal is way more complex, but still you have three different media to send that kind of signal: cables, optical signals, and radio signals. And as you can see, there are three different media that you can use to send a signal to the flash to fire while it's off the camera. And this signal can be simple or a control signal. If you want to see a more complete demonstration of using simple signals, watch this video. or if you want to see a demonstration of using control signals, watch this other video. And of course, you can subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.